Hey everybody, you saw me in the past making videos and about my problems when I was okay. Now you can see how is it when I am not good at all. Basically, today I was just went to the store, grocery store, three of them. I just then just from car to the in the house I brought stuff. I was still reasonably okay, and I was preparing to make a video, simple video for you without assessing that uh, I wasn't talking even good or then, um, and then on face space it became this. So um, more and more time, more more and more times this is happening. When I get like this, if I stand up, I am like um, a little bit drugged, or uh, how do I say, um, too much alcohol, woozy of alcohol like. And now I'm just relaxing, and I wanted to make this video so you can see that why I am not making videos much. Um, this situation, like now, it is not many times, but even when I'm okay, good ish, I am too, it is too problematic. I mean, how to say, damn it, my thinking is catastrophic. Uh, Basically, even when I can move normally, there isn't much times that I am good enough to make videos or to learn stuff or stuff like this. Uh, okay, I will do subtitles for this video um, tomorrow or day after tomorrow when I will be good enough again. Um, I will go now lie down and just hope that it doesn't take too long. When I'm like this, it needs minimum of 1 day of relaxing to get to okay state. Once again, sorry guys, even streams are not regular. More and more streams on Twitch. I needed to cut out because of simply I can withstand less and less uh, physical movement and such. And I will make videos when I can, you know. Sorry guys. And now still I'm waiting for neurosurgeon results from my last MRI a month ago. So until next time, have a blast people. Bye bye.